Hello, my name is Walter Debo, and for my Capstone project, I am doing a strategic analysis of Dick's Sporting Goods. Some brief overview and background. Dick's Sporting Goods, the Fortune 500 company that we know today, actually began as a small bait and tackle store in 1948, and it was founded by Richard Dick Stack in Binghamton, New York. After 10 years of successful bait and tackle business, he transitioned to a sporting goods store at the request of his customers. About two more decades passed of successful business before a unexpected heart attack by Dick actually led to his son Edward getting involved with the business. Edward was working as a CPA, so he had a background in the business world, and he brought with him a much grander vision for the company. He wanted to expand on his father's store. So he brought along with him the superstore concept, and he wanted to get a chain rolling whenever he took the reins in 1986, whenever his father retired. Edward led massive expansion throughout the Northeast, and it eventually rolled into Ohio. Uh, in Ohio, he actually took advantage of Herman's World of Sports this dissolving, and they were able to build several stores throughout that year until in 2002, whenever they went public, and they used that cash to continue to use their aggressive strategy of expansion. Some key organizational players, obviously Edward Stack. Edward Stack had been serving as the executive chairman and CEO until 2020, whenever Lauren Hobart took over as CEO, and that she now serves as president and CEO. Some notable members on their board of directors include Larry Fitzgerald, yes, the all-pro wide receiver from the Arizona Cardinals. Sandeep Mathrani, he is a notable businessman who holds membership on a few other large companies' board of directors, and Emmanuel Chirico, who also holds many, who's also on the board of directors for many large companies. Emmanuel has been there since 2003, and his opinion is highly valued amongst the board.